Good afternoon and welcome to another Beetle video, this 2007 Volkswagen Beetle. And in this video we're going to be replacing an outer CV boot. So when I took it down to have replacement tyres fitted, I did have a quick look while the wheels were off, and I didn't notice there was a tear in the outer CV boot on here. So what I'll do is I'll get the wheel off and I can show you what I found. So with the wheel off, I don't know whether you can see it there. I'll just pull it. You can see the oil leaking out, the grease. So yeah, that's definitely an MOT fail. So what I'll do is I need to get undo this hub nut, and then probably undo this suspension arm, just push it out, and I should be able to get the drive shaft out and get access to the. I mean, ideally I could do with doing it off the car, but just see how it goes. So I've freed off the drive shaft. I'm going to change it in situ. I'm not going to bother taking it off. So what I need to do is get these clips off. So what I have to do, I'm going to cut this off with the knife to get this off. Now that's the CV boot off. Should get a clear run with hammer. And there we go, that's a CV joint out. So got my new boot. And I've got a couple of grease, so I'll just repack this joint with some grease. Again, trusty knife coming in useful. So I just pack all that with grease. Slip the boot on, or maybe not, maybe just easier. There's a lot of new bits of this, including the clips. So just slip this boot on. I've got a CV bolt on, so time to fit the clips. So starting the outer one. I'm going to stop here, it's going to take forever. One of those CV joint clips that come with the kit, they're totally useless, so I've still got some left of my own from when I did the Polo, and I use them on the Citroen as well. So if I've got this right, these should go straight on without any fuss. The first one on, got the proper CV boot pliers to crimp them on. That was a lot easier. Time to do the inner one. Should be 10 times easier than that. just a bit awkward because of the curve. It's a smaller diameter. Going to take ages, so I think I'll just leave it there. Okay, I've finally got this in a running place, just need to crimp it up. If this don't work, I'm going to have to use a cable tie. So, get the pliers on, crimping pliers, give it a good squeeze, and that's the boot replace. One thing less to fail the MOT on, so I'm going to start putting all this back together. I'll skip that, you don't need to see me putting this together, and then that's the job done. So that's it for this video. I've just taken it on a quick road test and all seems to be well. So that's one thing less for it to fail the MOT on. So that's the end of this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, then you get notified when my videos come out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.